আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ওয়েলকাম টু এইশশিকি লার্নিং চ্যানেল। আপনারা সবাই কেমন আছেন? আশা করি ভালো আছেন। আমিও আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি। আজও আমি চলে এসেছি কনজাংশন নিয়ে। তো আজ আমরা করব কনজাংশন এর সেকেন্ড ক্লাস। যদি কেউ প্রথম ক্লাসটি না দেখে থাকেন তাহলে আমাদের চ্যানেলের প্লেলিস্ট থেকে অবশ্যই দেখে আসবেন এবং আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। ডে 2, টপিকস কনজাংশন। যেসব কনজাংশন ট্রানজিশনাল অ্যাডভার্ব বাক্যে ব্যবহার করা হয় অতিরিক্ত তথ্য প্রদান করার জন্য, সেগুলো উদাহরণস্বরূপ নিম্নরূপ: টু, বিসাইডস, ফাইনালি, লাস্ট, দেন, ফার্দার, also, additionally, and, as well as, not only but also, either, or, neither, nor, both, and, whether, or, as, similarity, by the way. Transitional adverb: moreover, in addition, furthermore, again, what's more, besides, equally, important. Example sentence: in addition to, in addition. In addition to French, she speaks Spanish. In addition fruit, you should eat meat. Regular physical exercise helps you burn those unwanted calories. In addition, it relieves stress. To is an adverb. It means overly or also. Example sentence: this notebook is too expensive for me. আপনারা চাইলে আমার সাথে সাথে লেখাগুলোকে নোট ডাউন করে রাখতে পারেন যাতে পরবর্তীতে আপনারা সেগুলো দেখে নিজে নিজে শিখতে পারেন। Besides is an adverb. It means as also, as well, or in addition. Example sentence: what do you like beside the apple? My father is nice to everyone besides me. Besides being a college colleague, he is my best friend. Finally is an adverb. It means at last or eventually. It introduces a final point. Example sentence: the bus finally arrived. The news finally reached my father this afternoon. Last means most recent in time or finally. Example sentence: Mary arrived last. Then means after or also or besides. Example sentence: my sister was very happy then. Talk to Samuel and then come back. Further is an adverb. It means also or additionally or besides. Example sentence: he is very clever. Further, his father is very rich. I like play football. Further, I like play basketball. Also means to or additionally or besides. Example sentence: she speaks Spanish and also speaks English. This question is also difficult. Additionally means to or also or besides. Example sentence: this restaurant will provide several free options. Additionally, special foods can be purchased. Additionally, I am very tired now. And means add something. Example sentence: we have got a car and a bike. As well as, it means like and but placed in different position in clause. Example sentence: we have got a car as well as a bike. Also, as well and to এর অর্থ প্রায় একই রকম, কিন্তু ক্লজ তারা একই জায়গায় না বসে ভিন্ন জায়গায় বসে। Example sentence: he not only smokes, he also drinks. He not only smokes, he drinks as well. He not only smokes, he drinks too. Not only but also. It means শুধু এটি নয় ওইটিও। Example sentence: we have got not only a bike but also a car. Moreover, it means অধিকিন্তু। Example sentence: smoking makes you smell bad. Moreover, there is now clear evidence that it causes cancer. Furthermore, it means besides অথবা পাশাপাশি। Mr. Rai has earned the respect of laborers everywhere. Furthermore, they know they can trust him. What's more, it means extra অথবা অতিরিক্ত। Example sentence: smoking is dangerous. What's more, it makes you smell bad. More examples: either or এটি অথবা ওইটি। You either do your work or prepare for a trip to the office. Either do or prepare. Neither nor এটি নয় তো ওটি। Either the basketball team nor the football team is doing well. Both and. Both the cross country team and the swimming team are doing well. Whether or. You must decide whether you stay or you go. It's up to you. Whether you stay or you go, the film must start at 8 p.m. It's not up to you. Just as so. Just as many Americans love basketball, so many Canadians love ice hockey. As much as. Football is as much an addiction as it is a sport. No sooner than. No sooner did she learn to ski than the snow began to throw. Rather than, I would rather swim than surf. As football is as fact as hockey is fast. বাক্যে কারণ নির্দেশ করতে যেসব কনজাংশন ব্যবহৃত হয়। Since, for, because of, হয়, as, so. For, it means জন্য। Example sentence: I was tired after my journey, for I had been driving non-stop for 12 hours. এখানে একটু খেয়াল করুন নোটস, যদিও for is grammatically correct in the sentence given above, it is rarely used. We are more likely to express the same idea using the subordinating conjunctions because, since, or as. I was tired after my journey because I had been driving non-stop for 12 hours. Or as অথবা since I had been driving non-stop for 12 hours, I was tired after my journey. More examples are given below. They postponed the meeting because the chairman was ill. As অথবা since the chairman was ill, they postponed the meeting. Because of, due to, so. Example sentences: I decided to take a break because I was feeling tired. We were late because it rained. Because I was ill for several months, I lost my job. It is raining again, so we will have to cancel the picnic. I decided to take a break because I was feeling tired. The match was cancelled due to অথবা because of bad weather. তো এটাই ছিল আমাদের দ্বিতীয় দিনের ক্লাস। তো পরবর্তীতে আমরা আরও কতগুলো ক্লাস করব যেখানে আমাদের বড় বড় প্যাসেজ ইংলিশ টু বাংলা, বাংলা টু ইংলিশ ভেঙে ভেঙে কিভাবে অনুবাদ করা যায় সেগুলো শিখব। তো সবাই সুস্থ থাকবেন, ভালো থাকবেন। আবারও বলছি, যদি চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব না করে থাকেন অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন।